हेलो
इंडिविजुअल और सीरीज
सेंटर आ जाओ भाई भाई
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളും കൊണ്ട്
बोलो.
Can I request both the finalist team near the presentation area, please? Friday Strikers, everyone here. DPCC.
भाई
Guys, first of all, thank you for being a part of the inaugural weekend bash organized by Unicorn. Thanks to all the teams that have participated. And on behalf of Unicorn, we are really proud to have done this event, first part. And again, let me thank the teams again. Can I have a round of applause to each and every team? Let me thank the sponsors as well, Gulsi Sports, as well as Armaf Sterling, who have been of significant importance and significant support to us throughout each and every tournament in Unicorn. Thank you to both our sponsors. Without further delay, I would like to announce the man of the final for his excellent bowling performance of 4 for 26 from his 4 overs at an economy of 6.5, Manu Shaji of DPCC.
सर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा
വേറെ ആരെങ്കിലും
भाई सामने से तो हटो यार, ऐसे करोगे तो कैसे होगा यार.
Thank you, Manu, and well played. Going straight into the individual awards of the tournament, starting with the best wicketkeeper of the tournament, with a total of 4 stumpings and 7 catches from his 5 matches that he has played, Wilfred of Desert Eagles. He's not here. The best fielder of the tournament, with a total of 4 catches from his 4 matches, Jabir Manjeshwar of DPCC.
सेंटर आओ भाई.
The best batsman of the tournament, with a total of 169 runs in his league matches, as well as an excellent performance today as well of 49, and an average of 56.33 and a strike rate of 170.71. Azhar Mohammad Ali of Friday Strikers. The best bowler of the tournament. It's a very rare occasion that a skipper bagging the best bowler award. It's always of facilitating players and getting the right combinations right. They forget themselves. But here, yes, he deserves this award after picking up 14 wickets from his 5 matches at an economy of 5.9 and an average of 8.43. Salim Salih of Friday Strikers. The best player of the tournament. There were 4 people vying for this chance of being the player of the tournament. 3 from one team and 1 alone from one team. Let me name the top 4. At number 4 was Azhar Mohammad Ali with an aggregate of 30.046. Fazil VM with an aggregate at position 3 with 30.112. At number 2 was the skipper of Friday Strikers, Salim Salih with 31.558. But just by a margin of 0.410, Prashant Jatwa of BPCC. He has an aggregate of 31.968.
Well planned and calculated. Best accountant. Strategist. You're a best accountant.
Congrats to all the individual winners. Well played, guys, and to be said, all are deserving. So round of applause to all the individual champions. Can I request the runners-up captain, Salim Salih, to join me, please?
हिंदी में बोलो
Salim, your boys played excellent throughout the league phase. You guys were unjuttered throughout. Okay. It was a convincing way to the finals. But it's a new experience for your boys in what you have seen. You guys are transformed from one form of cricket to another form, as we had spoken earlier. Like, what do you have to say to your team, to your opponents, and about your finals that you played, as well as the tournament throughout?
Thank you all of them. Last 5 matches we played very well. Thanks to my team mates, not members. They are my mates, right? Okay. We have good players, Azhar and bowling department also. They are good very well. Today we did the mistake. That's why we don't have the trophy, right? So I congratulate the opposite team. Thank you all of them. Other thing, we are playing here first time. Unicorn, thank you. This is you gave me the place for here. We are playing here. Thanks, Unicorn. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Salim. Salim bhai, can I request you to receive the runners-up trophies and the medals on behalf of your team? The runners-up of Weekend Bash Season 1 Friday Strikers.
Sora, come.
Team.
All team.
Team members, all of you. Come. Come, Nemche. Larma. Thunderbolts. Thunderbolts. Alarma.
ഞാനിവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങളെ കൂടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്നുകൂടെ ക്ലോസ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ എല്ലാരും. സൈഡിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്താണ്.
എടാ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ഇരിക്കടാ, ആസിദ ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ഇരിക്കടാ.
രണ്ടാം സപ്പില്ലേ
ക്ലോസ് ആയാലേ ഇങ്ങനെ കിട്ടുള്ളൂ.
ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ഇരിക്കുക. അവിടെ ഇരിക്കും. എടാ ആറ്റത്തേക്ക് എപ്പത്തിരിക്കും.
ഒന്ന് ഈ ക്യാമറയില്
ചിക്കൻ മാസ്ക് ഇടാ.
ഓക്കെ
അടുത്ത ടൂറിൽ
ഒരു ചേസ് പറയണേ.
आ जाओ भाई.
Can I request Nick to join in?
भाई सामने से जाओ. हटो. मार ഗോവ അവിടെ നിൽക്കാനും മുന്നിൽ.
Nick, it has been a roller coaster ride for you throughout this tournament. A few disappointments, but you guys peaked up at the right time for you to be playing the final today. What do you have to say to your boys throughout the tournament? What have you felt, and how about the performance today that they put up in the final, as well as about your opponents that you guys played today, and your overall experience with Unicorn as well?
Firstly, thank you Unicorn for having us back in your tournaments. Thank you to the teams also. They have been excellent, all the teams. Okay, after losing the first 2 matches, to win the tournament, all credit should go to my boys there. They have been excellent throughout the tournament. Excellent. You don't find any superstars in there. It's all normal players. They played as a team, and I'm really proud of the team today. Thank you.
Thank you, Nick. request you to receive the winner's medal as well as the trophy on behalf of your team. Again, congrats and well played, guys. The winners of Weekend Bash Season 1, DPCC.
Wait. Go. Back out, back.
सामा दे 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 शशि किधर गया शशि आया वो है इधर है मुश्किल नहीं है आजा इधर है आजा 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 उसमें आजा 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 जल्दी आ आजा ना यार जल्दी ला
थोड़ा क्रॉस होने का बहुत गैप है बहुत गैप है आप इधर
के साथ पैरेट को आगे ये पैरेट आने चाहिए ये 1 2 3 फोटो में वीडियो में तो आवाज निकालो मैडम गाइस DPCC yo DPCC yo DPCC yo
Thank you guys. That's it from the presentation. Thanks to everyone on behalf of Unicorn. And good night.
फोन पे अपने फोन पे अदनान आ जाएगा अपने फोन पे अच्छा वो है इधर आ जा सुन मेरे साथ तू पहले अकेले घर भाग गया 1 मिनट भाई क्या हो गया
वो सब खिला इसलिए
और चलने आएगा कि नहीं